Take some ground beef. Now roll it, roll it, roll it. Make a circle out of it and connect it. Cut the cheese. Add some butter on hot pan. Now add your meat donut on hot pan. Put mustard on the bun. Cut tomato. Now put some salt and put some pepper on meat donut. Now flip the meat donut and cook it more. Add the egg like this. Nice. Add cheese on top. A little more cheese. Looking good, my friends. Shut the lid. Put tomato on the bun. Wow, beautiful. Now let's put the egg that came out on top. Nice. Service. Look at that. Delicious and steamy. Nice. Put the bun on top. Now this is juicy, beautiful, steamy and delicious. Nutritious cheeseburger with egg. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.